Poloniex Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Welcome to my review of Poloniex Crypto Exchange. Poloniex is a platform designed for crypto enthusiasts who value a broad selection of digital assets, low fees, and advanced trading tools. Established in 2014, it has earned a reputation for being user-friendly while catering to both beginner and advanced traders. With over 350 cryptocurrencies available, Poloniex offers spot trading, margin trading, and futures contracts, making it a versatile choice for diverse trading strategies. The platform also supports staking and lending, allowing users to earn passive income on their holdings. For security, Poloniex employs standard measures like two-factor authentication, withdrawal whitelists, and cold storage for most funds. However, its history includes a notable hack in 2014, though it has since improved its security framework significantly. One of PolonieX's standout features is its competitive fee structure. Trading fees start at 0.1%, with discounts for high-volume traders and Tron (TRX) token holders, who can enjoy even lower rates. The platform is also known for its high liquidity, ensuring quick execution for large trades, a crucial factor for active traders. Another feature worth mentioning is the easy-to-use mobile app, which replicates nearly all desktop functionalities. Whether you're monitoring price movements, executing trades, or managing your portfolio on the go, the app delivers a seamless experience. Poloniex also appeals to international users with its support for multiple languages and minimal KYC requirements for basic accounts, although this might not be ideal for traders in jurisdictions with stricter compliance laws. The trading interface is intuitive, featuring customizable charts powered by TradingView, making technical analysis accessible. Additionally, Poloniex provides a convert feature for quick, hassle-free swaps between cryptocurrencies. On the downside, customer support is somewhat limited, primarily relying on a ticket system and community forums. Live chat support is available, but can sometimes result in delayed responses. Furthermore, the exchange does not accept fiat currencies, which could be a deal breaker for newcomers looking to deposit USD or other fiat funds directly. You'll need to use another platform to acquire crypto before trading here. In summary, Poloniex is best suited for experienced traders and crypto enthusiasts who already own digital assets and prioritize low fees, diverse assets, and advanced trading tools. While it has room for improvement in customer support and fiat integration, it remains a solid choice for traders who value functionality and flexibility. If that sounds like you, Poloniex might be worth considering for your trading journey.